Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get any type to conform to any vector shape. So over here I've just written the word Vega and I've sort of twisted the words around and made them at an angle, and I've made it look almost like melted chocolate. It's pretty easy. I just used my pen tool and made little melting shapes coming off the words, and I created a gradient which looks like different shades of brown. So from there I just grouped my word, and then I've taken it to a new file that I've made over here. Just place it over there. Don't worry about the vector, I'll tell you about that right now. I'm just going to make that word a lot smaller because we're going to get this word to wrap around the body face of this smoothie cup. So let's just bring this to the side over here. Right, now we are going to need a text box. So let's just draw a simple text box on the side here, and then just make the outline of that black, and we do not want a color on the inside. So now we're just going to select our word that we've dragged across, any word that you want, place it inside the text box, go Command C, Command V. We'll place a few words in the text box just so we can get a few words to wrap around the face of the smoothie cup. Okay, go Command V again. Okay, so let's just stick with 3 words. Okay, let's move this one across a little more. Okay, select that, cross a little more, and then we'll get our text box to come up. Right, okay, so we've got our text box with our 3 words in it. Now over here we are going to take our pen tool, make sure it's color black or whatever color you want, and we're just going to outline the shape of the face, well, the face of the body cup, and just drag your pen tool so it forms the shape of the round curves. The round curves are quite tricky, but the straight ones are quite easy. So click right in the middle and just drag it along to see whichever one works best, and then back to the end, and wonderful, we have got our shape. We just want, because the words aren't going to go on the lid, they're just going to go on the face. So now we take what we have just drawn and drop it straight over the text box that we've just drawn, and we are going to say object, arrange, bring to front. Otherwise what we're going to do won't work. So now that we've brought it to the front, we select the drawing and the words, and we go object, envelope distort, and make with top object. Now as you can see, the word Vega has shaped around the cup face. So now we take that and we drag it back to our coffee cup, or our smoothie cup should I say, and you can just take your arrow keys and go up or down just to get the exact shape, and you can still edit the words once you have once they have formed around once they've formed around the face. So you can change the shape of them, or add more words, or change the words, whatever you want to do. These can be used for any type of coffee sleeve or motivational quotes, or any design that you want to show someone, just so you can see what it actually looks like. Thank you for listening to my tutorial. I hope it was very helpful.